Happy Monday, happy Labor Day, everyone. Looking outside, a bit of a change over the next couple of days, and when we tend to see changes between high pressure and low pressure, or at least the two interacting, tend to see winds pick up as well. And that's bringing a lot of fire danger to the area. We will touch on that in just a second, but it's hot, it's sunny, it's dry, and it's smoky throughout the area as well. And that's mainly because a high pressure out off of the coast actually started pretty far off to the south of us and just continued to build up heading to the north after a little bit cooler days on Friday and Saturday. Warmed up quite a bit for some areas on Sunday, and it'll stay pretty hot for the day today. A little bit of a cool down for tomorrow. Why? Well, might as well show you. Low pressure starting to move on in as we get into the day on Tuesday. You can see that just around the Colorado area. Colorado has an interesting mix of just about everything. Some winter storm warnings in some spots, some high fire danger in other spots, some very summery conditions and some very wintry conditions at the same time. For us, not quite that contrast, but still pretty windy conditions out there. You can see the difference between low pressure here and high pressure there. That creates wind, and then a lot of that will come out of the east. Now, that does help to clear out some of the smoke from Northern California, but also further off to the east of us where those winds are coming from. Also, some fires in Idaho and Montana. So smoke probably going to be a factor over the next few days. And while we are slightly cooler for the day on Tuesday and Wednesday, a little bit warmer towards Thursday and Friday. So we stay hot, sunny, dry, and smoky. Not a lot of relief out there, just little blips in the radar from time to time. So hot, dry, windy, and you can see red flag warning throughout much of the Pacific Northwest, essentially very extreme high fire danger, as well as excessive heat. Similar color there, so let's zoom in just a bit, give you an idea of that. Most of the excessive heat warning, that'll last through the day today. Dangerously hot conditions, potential for heat-related illness. That's that darker red there. The pinkish color, red flag warning until Wednesday. Hot, dry, and windy conditions leading to that potential for extreme fire danger. It's easy to not only start fires, but spread fires throughout the area. And you can see why. There's just not much potential showers out there going through the day Monday into Tuesday, Tuesday into Wednesday. It's clear skies, so we're going to hold on to that for the most part. Here's Tuesday and Wednesday. As you can see, hardly a cloud in the sky as we clear out most of the cloud cover, the fog heading off to the east. For the coast today, 60s, 70s, and yes, around 83 degrees for Brookings and Harbor. Brookings probably going to be warmer than the rest of the coast for a while now. For the West Valleys, mostly sunny, some patchy smoke, temperatures in the upper 90s to around 102 for Medford, 101 for Montague and Wairika. A little breezy in the afternoon as well. And it's going to get windy at times east of the Cascades, some gusts up to 45 miles per hour, and that's why we have that extreme fire danger out there. 92 for Klamath Falls today, 91 for Lakeview. Luckily, we are cooling down for tomorrow. Still going to have those winds. Labor Day, 102 degrees, and then cooling down by about 6-7 degrees in some spots. Not quite records as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. That's actually inaccurate. It's about 102 is the record for Thursday, so not quite getting there. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, still in the upper 90s, where usually we're in the mid to upper 80s. Klamath Basin, 90s, but very quickly cooling down by a few degrees on Tuesday, down to around 80, so cool down there. Of course, we're going to see some higher winds as we make that transition. Northern California also in the triple digits at times, but mostly in the mid to upper 90s as we go over the next 7 days. And out on the coast, kind of a mix of everything. A little cooler in some spots, a little warmer in others. The Brookings area probably going to be mainly in the 80s over the next few days with some offshore winds.